Hello everyone, in this video I will show you all how to create a Google account on a computer. Okay, first of all you open the Chrome browser on your PC, then you click here, and click Account. Then you click Create Account, and fill in all the required fields, then click Next. If you are asked for a verification number like this, all you have to do is enter your mobile number, then wait for the verification code on your mobile SMS, then enter it here. Here you fill in the date and year of birth, as well as gender, then click Next. If a display like this appears, click Skip. Then click I agree. Congratulations, your Gmail account has been created successfully.